Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So today, Ipsy, so excited. Let's see what I got. Before I reveal it to you, may I remind you that I have a Ipsy referral link down in the description box. If you use that link to purchase Ipsy, I get points to get more stuff to review for you guys. I also have one for boxycharm with the same terms. Boom. 2 face masks. So excited. Woo, woo, woo. So I'm really excited that I got 2. That's awesome. But I'll be using these in a separate video. I like to do mask videos separate, so I will be reviewing these masks in a separate video. So excited about that. I love this bag that it came in. I think this is honestly like my favorite one besides the butterfly one. Look at how cute that is. It's little like eyelashes and like gold at the bottom. So adorable. So that was technically one thing, because normally you get 5 things, so they normally would give you 2 masks, but that's counted as one thing. So the next thing I'm seeing is the Luna by Luna translucent powder. Here's the little card that it came with. So next I have probably the coolest thing that's in here. It's this Luxie brush. But what makes it cool is I love Luxie brushes for one, but for 2, it's Harley Quinn themed. So it says good night on it, and it's got like red bristles. It's really cute. Next I have this Freemantic bronzer from Doucce. And last but not least, I got this Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in shade Babe Alert. You normally know what you're gonna get in your Ipsy Glam bags, so knowing what I got, I already put my foundation on. So this brush is a concealer brush. It can be used for other things, but it is pretty much described as a concealer brush, so I'm going to apply my Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes and blend it out. Let's see what happens. So I definitely think this brush blended out my concealer really well. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. That's awesome. I've not been disappointed with a Luxie brush before. Every single one that I have, I love. So that's definitely a brand that you might want to look into for brushes. Now before this creases and before my foundation creases, I definitely need to set my face with the setting powder. I'm really scared because it is a pure white setting powder. So it's in shade White Sand. So it's kind of shimmery. So maybe it'll give me a little bit of a natural glow, but I'm scared that we'll have some flashback Mary situation. But we'll see, I guess. So I'm just gonna take my brush, dip into it, and start applying. I'm actually gonna use the Harley Quinn brush and go under my eyes with it just to make sure that they get set really well. And then brush it off with my big fluffy face brush. So I definitely feel like it did make my face glowy. So it's like a glowy powder. Get really close. So at the moment, I can't be like, it's gonna give me flashback or anything crazy like that because I haven't taken a picture, so I won't judge it. I will actually take a flash photography picture with my phone and see what it does, so I won't give my opinion of the powder yet. In the description box of all my Ipsy and boxycharm videos, I will use the product for a few weeks before I post the video, and then I will give you guys my input on how I'm still feeling about the products, because right now I could love it, next week I could hate it kind of situation. So I want to make sure I give you guys an honest review. I'll tell you guys my first impression views on everything, but for this powder, since it's like pure white, I want to make sure that's not going to give me flashback, because I don't want to suggest it to you guys if that's going to happen. So basically flashback is like if you take a picture with like the flash on and it like has like a white cast on your face and it does not look cute. So I will take a flash photography picture after I'm done recording and let you guys know what happens.
This is amazing grace. This is unfailing love. That you would take my place. That you would bear my cross. You would lay down your life. That I would be set free.
So now we're going to go in with the bronzer. It's just a little single. So now the liquid lip, Babe Alert from Smashbox. I've never had an applicator like that, so that's different. Okay, love the shade and super love the applicator. I like how it has like a really fine point at the top so that it makes it easy to line the lips before you fill it in. Don't you love this shirt? Fancy. And I got my little headband in that's got skulls. Cute. So how I feel about everything, love the Luxie brush. Like I said, never been disappointed by a Luxie brush ever of any of the ones that I've tried. So I'm really liking this, so I'll keep trying it out and let you guys know. Really like the bronzer. Powder, like I said, I'm gonna have to take a flash photography picture before I can judge, but it did seem to set my face really nice and it looks more like luminous, so if it doesn't flash back then I would suggest this, but we're gonna wait before I say anything. The masks I'm gonna try out in a different video, and the liquid lip is a really pretty color. It does end up drying down. I think it feels really comfortable on the lips, like I actually forgot that I had it on. And it doesn't feel like hard and crusty dry down, it feels like comfortable dried down. So everything seems to be a win so far. If this doesn't flash back, I will actually really like everything, so that's nice. So I will let you guys know how I feel about everything in the description box. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below and check the description box for more information about the video. My social medias are at GlamGirlGray. See you next time.